What differentiates LLM from traditional chatbots? Answer: LLM large language models differ from traditional chatbots in the way they respond to user inputs. Traditional chatbots are typically programmed to respond to user queries based on predefined rules and guidelines, which limits their ability to have complex and open-ended conversations. On the other hand, LLM are trained on vast amounts of data, which enables them to comprehend and produce language more naturally and contextually. This means that the LLM can respond to user queries in a more human-like manner without being constrained by a predetermined list of answers. As a result, LLM can engage in more nuanced and dynamic conversations, making them more suitable for applications that require natural language understanding and generation, such as customer service, language translation, and content creation. In contrast, traditional chatbots are better suited for simple, rule-based interactions, such as providing basic information or completing routine tasks. Overall, the key difference between LLM and traditional chatbots is the ability of LLM to learn and adapt to user inputs, allowing for more flexible and natural language interactions.